This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to our exclusive virtual open house event for 476 North Winchester Boulevard, Unit 105. Because of COVID, we've had to adapt, adjust, and overcome. Whereas traditionally you would come out to the property and check it out during an open house. The whole point of this is to walk you through the home virtually so that you can see every inch of this home, with the hopes that if you like what you see here, that you will come out and schedule an in-person showing. This truly is a remarkable property. You owe it to yourselves to come out and experience this home in person. But until then, welcome everyone to 476 North Winchester Boulevard, Unit 105. Come on in, everyone. As you come into the home, the first thing that you're going to notice is this hardwood style wide plank flooring, super modern, super contemporary flooring, as well as these oversized executive baseboards here at the bottom of the property here. You walk in, obviously you have your main living area. My clients actually put their TV up right here in this area, which you could definitely do. You can reconfigure this room pretty much in a variety of different ways, but they put their TV up here. You could also do a projector if you wanted to do that. So lots of ways to reconfigure this room for your personal preferences and tastes. Here, if you'll notice, by the way, everyone, say hi to J-Rod, our team videographer. J-Rod is gonna be showing you around the property. Here we have our Harry Potter room, as we like to call it, without all of this area being taken up by the room, which is nice because it makes this a little bit more open. If this were walled off, it wouldn't be as open. Come on in, J-Rod. Why don't you show them the dining kitchen combo here that we have. This home was remodeled when my clients purchased it back in 2015. If you notice the appliances here, we have Frigidaire stove, oven, as well as Frigidaire dishwasher and a Frigidaire microwave. The cabinetry here is refinished and looks incredibly modern here. You have that nice white finish. It's very in right now. So lots to love about the cabinetry here. You have a really deep sink here as well in the kitchen. I'm gonna get out of the way here and let J-Rod show you the rest. For those wondering, we do have heating inside of this home. There is no AC. That being said, there are a few wall AC units that my client has very graciously left here at the property for anyone that would like to install them into their bedrooms, and they're actually right here. Look at that, they're right there. And my client also did a wonderful job of doing an epoxy seal here. For those that have never had an epoxy seal on their garage, highly underrated, highly underrated. Definitely something that you will find value in once you own this home. This home also has a patio, so we'll step outside here. And as J-Rod is showing you the patio, let's talk about the HOA. For those of you who are wondering, the HOA is $330 per month. That covers water, it covers sewage, it covers common area maintenance and landscaping, and it also covers common area insurance. My clients went ahead and put some AstroTurf here in the backyard. There is plenty of space out here for the kids, for a barbecue. You can also go ahead and you could also have some pets out here if you'd like. So really the possibilities are quite endless. Very large patio space for a townhome, especially in this area. So definitely a huge plus for anyone looking for townhomes. All right, everyone, let's head on upstairs. I think we've shown them enough, right, J-Rod, of the downstairs here. As we saw in the property description, this is a 2.5 bath home, 3 bedrooms. So you're seeing what is the first full bathroom. The second full bathroom is, of course, in the master. And for those of you who are kind of considering this area as opposed to other areas, let's talk about what this community has to offer. But before, here's room number 1. J-Rod, go ahead and show them room number 1. What does this community have to offer? Well, first of all, we're just minutes away from Valley Fair, as well as Santana Row. So once we're done with all this COVID craziness, you can go and enjoy your favorite shops, restaurants, etc. What else do you have? Well, you're proximal to a ton of different Bay Area companies. You're very close to Apple, you're very close to eBay, also very close to Mineta San Jose International Airport, which, especially if you're a frequent flyer, frequent traveler, definitely a huge plus to be literally 5 minutes away. You're 5 minutes away from Avaya Stadium, also really close to Costco. Here you have a nice little walk-in closet here. Jared, do you want to go ahead and show them that? My clients did a lot of closet upgrades. So in here you have quite a bit of storage here, highly undervalued and underrated, having these like little storage cubbies. Another thing worth noting is the heating. So we do have baseboard heating here throughout the home. Like I said, no AC, but you do get heat, especially right now. It is chilly outside, so it is nice to have. As we head into the master, one thing to point out here are the practically brand new LG washer dryer here, stackable. Plus you have your water heater here as well. Definitely nice to have the washer dryer on the same level as the bedrooms, right? Because you don't have to carry that laundry all the way up and down the stairs. Just have it in one place. Just pick up your dirty clothes here. I put the hamper right here. It's very easy. I can see it now. I can see you moving in, having the hamper right there, and then boom, 10 steps. You still won't do it, will you? You still won't do it, and neither do I. It's okay. So one of the best parts about this home, honestly, is the huge vaulted ceiling here in the master. It feels so executive, so luxurious to have this really open concept here on the top level. And it really opens up the space a lot. So J-Rod, go ahead and show them all of that, and then once you have shown them that, we'll come over here to the walk-in master closet. For those who are wondering, we do have one covered garage parking spot. In addition to that, there are a few spots in and around the community that are first come, first serve. Here we have a vanity here, our master vanity. And then finally, the master bath. Nice standing shower in there. Nice and upgraded. That's it, everyone, for the interior and the exterior. There is so much that this home has to offer. I mean, the amenities, check. The interior features, the upgrades, check. The proximity to so many Silicon Valley features and attractions, double check. And proximity to work, everything. There's really so much to love about this particular unit. So if you loved what you see here, go ahead and schedule a showing. You really owe it to yourselves to experience this home in person. I can't think of a better place to plant some roots here in Silicon Valley.